in this case, when talk about these particular limitations, we are talking of the charges, or basically you're talking of the demerits which are associated with the financial statement analysis. And one of the limitation is that the information which will be availed by the financial statement analyst may not be used in planning, may not be used in what? In planning. Remember what you have said, whenever the financial statement analysis is to be done, it will be done using the financial statement which have already been prepared and other information which has already been availed from the past. And therefore, what we say is that taking into account the financial statement are based on historical information. When talk about historical, you're talking of past what? Past information. Then that particular information which will be available by financial statement analysts may not necessarily help the management of the company to plan forward for the future, simply because that information is based or is from what? The past. Now, the other limitation which is also associated with the financial statement analysis is that it only provides information about what refers the quantitative aspect of the business, and that means that financial statement analysis does not provide information about the qualitative, about what? The qualitative aspect of the business. Now, what we mean by that is that once now the financial statement analysis has been done, the only information which will be provided is concerning, for example, how the company has been performing, the issues to do with profitability, the financial position of the business, and so on. But that analysis do not provide what refers the qualitative aspect of what? Of the business. For example, the financial statement analyst, through his analysis, cannot be able to provide information maybe in respect to what refers the customers' satisfaction, still he cannot also be able to provide information maybe about what refers the quality of the management, and so on. And what you need to note is that if at all maybe we have, for example, a person who is interested in investing a company, other than knowing maybe how the company has been performing, the financial position of the business, this information may also be very vital to him. For example, the quality of the top management and so on. But what you are saying is that the financial statement analysis then do not provide information about what? The qualitative aspect. It only provide information about what we refer to as the quantitative aspect of what? Of the business. Now, the other limitation of the financial statement analysis is that that information which will be provided may tend to mislead the users, the users. Remember, the information now which now will be availed by the financial statement analysis from the financial statement analysis which were prepared, it always depend, or the quality of that information, it always depend with the quality of the financial statement. And that means that if the financial statement which were prepared, are not accurate, then that means that the financial statement analyst still will provide information which is not what? Accurate. And as a result of that, then those who are intended to use that information which is to be available by the financial statement analyst may tend not to make or may tend to make wrong decisions, or may be misled in terms of making their decision, simply because the information provided from the financial statement which were prepared is not accurate. So therefore, the accuracy of the information provided by financial statement analysts will depend with how accurate the financial statement are. So that is the other limitation. The other limitation of the financial statement analyst is that comparison is that comparison may not be possible. Comparison may not be possible, may not be possible. Remember, in our case here, what you have said is that one of the importance of the financial statement analysis is that it help the various users to be able to compare financial performance, financial position of maybe different companies within the same industry. And what you need to note is that we may be having different companies within the same industry, but which apply different accounting policies in terms of how they prepare their financial statement. And that means that the financial statement which will be prepared by those companies, because they are not applying the same accounting policies, then may bring different information once now they are actually analysts. And that means that there will be a challenge when it comes now to comparing the financial performance, the financial position of those companies within the same industry, due to the application of different accounting policies. The other limitation is what we refer as a long judgment. Judgment. Now, when talk about judgment, you're talking of definitely what we refer as the decision, which now will be made by the various users from the information which is provided by the financial statement analyst. And this may be attributed by a number of factors. One, what you have said is that financial statement, which now the financial statement will be relying on, financial statement analysts will be relying on, are based on past information, or are based on historical information. And that means that if now you're going to use past information in terms of making decisions about the future, you may end up making wrong decisions. Two, the information which will be provided by financial statement analysts always depend with the accuracy of the financial statement. And that means that if the financial statement then are not accurate, the information to be provided by him through the analysis of those financial statements may not also be accurate, meaning that those who are to use those particular financial statement, or those who are to use the information provided by financial statement analysts, may end up making what if as a wrong decision. So therefore, we do have those as actually some of the limitations which are associated with what if as the financial statement analysis, or some of the challenges.